Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repairers. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Mercedes E Class, that generation that you see right here from year 2010 to year 2016. This generation Mercedes E Class, guys, is well known as W212. If you have one of those and if you need to find where the AC clutch relay is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Where you can find it, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E-Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17, guys, this is the W212, guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money, guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located, guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road, guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work, guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars, guys, in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So, AC clutch relay, where you can expect, guys, to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Mercedes E-Class here. This is the same generation, this is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model, but it will work for both. You will have multiple, guys, fuse boxes. First we'll start with the trunk one, and if you open the trunk on the side, you have a cover. Open that cover and underneath you'll find the main trunk fuse box with multiple relays. But the bad news, none of this is for the AC clutch. However, if you open the hood, guys, right here, and you come to the driver's side next to the brake fluid reservoir, you have that cover, open it, underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with more fuses and relays. But before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important, guys, to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case, guys, you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays, guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses, guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that, guys. But when disconnecting the car battery, guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000, guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So the AC clutch relay, guys, where you can expect to find that relay now. Unfortunately, guys, okay, if you have something bad with the AC system, or you need to buy fuses, parts, tools for your Mercedes or any car at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below, so check it out. You can that way you don't waste your money and time, and you can save quite a bit. That's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So the AC clutch relay, if you check all of this, none of this is for the AC clutch, guys. You do not have AC clutch relay. What you have instead, you have, by the way, guys, you have fuse for the AC system. and which fuse that one is, guys. Okay, we're talking about fuse number 16 right here that you will need to check. Practically the AC clutch is controlled, okay, by the body computers, and you don't have a relay. So if you're looking for one, you won't have one. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.